Hey folks, it's Dave here from Alphacool, and today we're going to have a look at this laser fitting. That's right, it's a laser fitting. First, the intro. So, the Eiszapfen laser fitting. This fitting is just a little tool we've created to help you align hard tubes from your radiators or your water blocks to your bulkhead fittings or your distribution plates. It's not a product that everybody will need, but for the price point it's certainly something that you should have in your toolbox. The laser fitting comes in a very simple package which can be opened nice and easily. Inside the package there's a 24-pin jumper plug. This is something that's always useful to have around when water cooling. It allows you to power on your Molex devices without powering on your motherboard or GPUs. This is really useful not only for our laser fitting but also for your pump when you're filling the loop. We'll show you how this works shortly, but let's take a look at the actual fitting. The Eiszapfen laser fitting is a nice 50cm braided Molex cable for maximum compatibility. You need a power supply for your PC, so we thought we'd utilise that and get you up and running quickly. The fitting itself isn't too complicated either. It's basically a laser inside a specially designed brass fitting. It has a G1/4 inch thread, so it fits all common water cooling parts such as radiators, blocks, pumps and reservoirs. Using the Eiszapfen laser fitting is very simple. First, make sure you've turned off the power supply and unplugged the 24-pin cable from your motherboard. Next, simply screw the fitting in. We're putting it in a brand new Nexus V2 radiator and it just goes in like any other fitting. Do be mindful of the cable though, and don't plug it into the power supply before you've screwed the fitting. The next job is to install a 24-pin jumper plug and also connect the fitting via Molex. Make sure that if you've got any pumps, these are disconnected from your Molex before turning your power supply on. Next, simply turn on the power supply and you've got a nice bright red dot. This gives you a good idea of where you need to drill your hole, so simply mark it with a pen, make sure you do your double checks and then get to it. This is the first time I personally used the Alphacool Eiszapfen laser fitting, and as you can see it worked like a charm. We've just done it in our test system right now, and while I actually think I might want to turn this into a real system. Who thinks we should? Let us know in the comments below. Warning, not to be used in conjunction with sharks. Alphacool does not condone the use of sharks with frickin' laser beams.